Quartz crystal is the master of gemstone healing. Its energy amplifies the frequencies of other crystals nearby and draws off many types of negative energy. Clear quartz enhances psychic abilities and revitalizes the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual planes. This is a crown chakra crystal. It is the gemstone that resembles all of the elements as well as zodiac signs. The study of quartz crystal dates back so far, its discovery remains unknown. The first lab-grown crystal was invented in 1927 by Warren Marrison and J.W. Horton in Bell Telephone Laboratories, creating the first quartz clocks. Quartz is a mineral composed of silicon and oxygen atoms. The basic force in quartz is silicon dioxide. This chemical has a piezoelectric potential, which means when heat, pressure, or any type of impact is applied, the electrons from the silicon dioxide are released from their orbit, creating a mild electrical charge that can be harnessed, making it possible to create many of the technologies we use today. It is the second most abundant crystal on Earth. Quartz is derived from the German word Quarz, meaning hard. Ancient Greeks referred to quartz as kruos, meaning icy cold, because some philosophers believed quartz to be a form of ice. In meditation rituals, some of the herbs compatible with quartz crystal are brahmi, yerba mate, ashwagandha, basil, and rosemary. This is an extremely powerful gemstone. It can be used as a tool for guidance to become more communed to your greater self.